In this video I will show you how to replace dead battery of my multimeter. It's very simple guys. Easy peasy. You only watch this video and you will learn how to do it. But before I continue, if you are new here, it's better that you will subscribe to my channel cause I always uploaded more tutorial video. Don't forget to smash like button and hit the notification bell to update you for more videos. Alright, let's start it. Please watch it till the end. Look at this guys. This is my multimeter. As you can see, it is already dead. I don't know why. But I thought that the battery is dead, cause I placed it in my box for a long time. As you can see, no more reading show to my multimeter. Now, to fix it, I will try to replace the battery of this multimeter. First step, unscrew it. There are two screws at the back. Unscrew it using star screwdriver. Second step, open the multimeter like this. Third step, get the battery. This is 9 volts battery. Replace it using new battery. Don't forget to put the battery in correct position. Positive is for plus sign and negative is for minus sign. Look at this. Now, I will try to test my new battery. As you can see, it's functioning. I got it. Fourth step, return the cover. Screw it. And lastly, test it. Look at this. As you can see, this battery got the reading of 0.97 volts. It's not normal cause the normal voltage of this battery is 9 volts, but it's reduced it to 0.97 volts, which is not good. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.